Yeah, hi, welcome to this video, and in today we're going to be looking at how you can gain leads on Instagram. Let's go over and show you how you can do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've come on to my Instagram account here. I don't really use Instagram that much. I just do post occasionally. But how you can set it up, basically you get one link that you can place in your bio. I would try and get that set up so that it goes to an offer. So basically something that you can then build an email list with, so then you are gaining your leads. And then obviously you want to go and follow other people within your niche, or other people that obviously you want to get in front of, so that you can then put your offer in front of them. And then when they click and look at your profile, you will then get clicks through and then sign ups through to your offer and then your list. And then what you can go and do then with your email list is obviously email them other offers, keep in touch, build a rapport with them, and obviously then they will then begin to like and trust you, and obviously then buy things from you in the future as well. So mine is hooked up to my 7-day email bootcamp. So people will go through to my blog and then click on the link, and it takes them through to sign up to the email bootcamp here. So you can do anything you like depending on what niche you're in, but you will need what we call an email autoresponder. I use Aweber, and there's one main reason why I do. Obviously, I've grown my list at the moment anyway, but I basically recommend this because you get a free account. Now, there are various email suppliers out there which will give you a free 7-day account, a free 30-day account to try it. But with Aweber, there is no limit to the time. So when you start building your list, you're going to build it slowly over time. You get all the cool features, and we're going to go and show you how you don't even need a website to go and build your landing page and your offer. You can use it all inside Aweber and all for free, guys. Doesn't cost you a penny. So I've come inside my account here, and as you can see, I've obviously had a few subscribers in today, which is cool. And then once you've set up a list in here, you have to set up a few bits and pieces. What I'll do, I'll link to another video above here that will take you through the whole setup procedure on the Aweber, because it takes about 15 minutes to go through it. So we'll do that in a completely different video. So make sure that if you take the Aweber up on a free offer, then you can go and head and watch that video next, because then it will show you how to set everything up on your lists and that, so that you're then at a stage where you can go and create a landing page. So with the Aweber free account, you can only set up one list anyway, but you can set up as many sign up forms, etc. as you like. But once you've got your list will be up here, and you'll be able to then click on landing pages, and then you need to go on create landing page. And as you can see, there are loads of different templates here. So depending what you like the look of, just the design roughly, because you can basically edit all of these templates anyway to suit your brand or whatever you're actually offering. As you can see, there are loads of them, and it also tells you different things. This is obviously a virtual class that you could possibly join up to if you're selling a product, if you're a blog sign up, product promotion. So let's just take one of these and just show you how easy it is to actually do. So for argument's sake, if I was promoting Aweber, then obviously I could choose this template, and I can then edit this. I can do my own video here, and I can have it on the Aweber background here. I can obviously change all this heading and that sort of thing. Just click on it, and then you can obviously change all the wording, just like that. So all of this can be totally editable. So you can change the colors and the background and all sorts. Add in videos, you can add in buttons, you can add in images, other text. Literally just drag and drop it into the area that you want to do it, and then just let go, and you can add more text. So once you've done this and you're happy with it, so that'll just take a few minutes to probably do that. And again, you can mess about with this for as long as you want, but I'm just going to do this quickly just to show you. Once you've done that, you can obviously preview it to see what it's going to be like on the internet, and then you literally just save and exit here, Okay, and then what we do is we can go and publish it, and it says your page is live, so we can start sharing it, but obviously we don't want to share it at the moment. So that's live, and as you can see here, we've got a link. That is a link, so we just copy that link, and then if we go over to a new tab and paste it in, there we go. There is the landing page that we've just created in Aweber. And this could be anything to do with your business. And all you do is then add in that link where it says website on your editing your details. Remember, obviously, with your Instagram account, you may have to change it to a business account in order to add a website URL in there. But that's the website URL you can need to have in there. And of course, what you can do, obviously, this is a very, very long link here. So you could go over to bit.ly.com, click on create and paste in the long link. And then that's created a short link. You can add a title. So we could put Aweber opt-in and save. So that tells us what the link is. And then all we got to do is copy that. And then we could head back to our account here. And if need be, we can just add in. So instead of having the newbie affiliate, we can then add in our short pasted URL there. Click submit. There we go. We've now got our short URL there. So if we just click that URL, it opens up in a new window to the page. So that's exactly how you set it up, guys. And obviously then you've literally just got to go and promote images and that on your Instagram account using keywords, hashtags, all the normal stuff. But you've then got a landing page where you can then go and get people to sign up for a free gift and then build a rapport with them by sending them further emails, all done automated once you set up your Aweber, and you can check that out in the other video that I've got on how to set up your Aweber account. So there we are, guys. There's an easy way to gain leads on your Instagram account, which will then obviously be able to get you more customers and more sales. Okay, I trust you found that interesting. If you did, then obviously smash up that like button for us. Obviously check out our other videos that are coming here. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. The next video we've got coming up is how to use Pinterest to get website traffic. So if you're using Pinterest, then make sure you stick around for that particular video that's coming out shortly.